Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to change payment method in Deepl. Now to start with it, we need to understand what kind of payment methods are accepted first in the Deepl application. So you can pay for your Deepl subscription via following payment method dependent on your Deepl plan. It is not possible to pay through PayPal. Now, you could pay through credit and debit card, like American Express, Card Bankers, Danish Club, Discover, GCB, MasterCard, Union Pay, and Visa card. It's SEPA Direct Debit. So SEPA Direct Debit is available for all paid DPL plans for individuals and teams. So you can use that, and basically this is acceptable by the Euro payments area. You could have bank transfer. So we offer bank transfer for customers who meet the following conditions. You are a business customer. You are looking for a deeper pro team or business plan for individuals and teams. You want to subscribe to a subscription with annual payments, and you are based in the single Euro payments area, SEPA zone, and payments are transferred from the single Euro payments area zone in the currency on your invoice. So this is what you need to understand. And finally, bank transfer for customers managed by their sales team. Customers managed by their sales team can pay by bank transfer only if they meet the following conditions. You are a business customer and you have or are looking for paid DPS subscription managed by their sales team. So here, this is the countries that are accepted. So here we go: Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Ecuador, and they're very much here. You can find all of these countries right here. So for you to change it, simply just go to your DeepL account. After you actually understand that this payment method that you want is acceptable, go to your DeepL account, and in account tab under payment method, find more information about or accepted payment method, and then simply click on edit and you can change it through there. So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.